Every day is a new day. There's always something to do and some way to make someone happy. Hello, I'm Larry Mitchell and I'm a line maintenance technician for Alaska Airlines. A lot of people come here to enjoy themselves. They find it an interesting city because of what it has to offer, the lights, the shows, the entertainment, and the bottom line is they need to keep their schedules as well as ours, and everything on the leading edge is clean. Getting here, enjoying themselves, and then being able to leave on time for other businesses is very important. There's so many components, we have to make sure that everything is serviced properly. We're looking for oil leaks, we're looking for hydraulic leaks, we're looking for parts that don't fit correctly. There's a lot of responsibility for safety, and I think that's the most important thing that we deal with. So when there's an issue on the ground before they're getting ready to fly, a lot of the people on board don't understand. They just know that they have a schedule and a place to be, or a grandson to see, or family that's very important. We work as a team to analyze the problem and try to remedy it as quickly as possible. About a year ago, I was contacted. An aircraft was coming to the gates, and they had an issue on board. It seems that a guest and her husband were traveling here for their anniversary, and she had seemed to have taken her ring off for whatever reason and dropped it, and it landed down between the seats. We went back to the seat that they were located in and opened the seat up, and luckily enough, we were able to find the diamond ring. I got one of the biggest hugs I've ever had. She was very happy. She was in tears, and her husband was very happy too. I couldn't think of a better place to be in around these. To me, this is home. I like it here. It's the only job I ever wanted to be, and I finally made it.